Hi, and welcome to Ukulele Lessons Easy 1B. At this time, if you want to go ahead and get your music sheet, the Joker, and pause the tutorial, bring back your music sheet. We'll get started in about a second. Okay, so for this song, what we want to do is, before we start playing the song, we're going to do our chord cog exercise. We're going to write in the numbers 1, 4, and 5. Notice that this particular song, we're not going to use the 5-7, okay? It's just a straight C. It's not a C7 that we're going to be playing in the song. A straight C, which is going to be the 5 chord in the key of F. Okay, so once again, we're only using 1, 4, and 5, not 5-7, just a 5 chord. The chords we're going to be using for the whole song are F, B flat, and C. Now, if this chord is not pretty easy to you at this time, you need to take time out and practice that chord, or you need to go back to the early tutorials, videos at the beginning part of this course, and I teach you how to play the B flat chord in a way that you can catch on faster and learn the chord faster. I would suggest that if you can't do the B flat chord at this point, you don't want to do the song just yet, because this B flat is going to come up a lot, and basically this is the progression of the song. It just repeats, but unless you can do that B flat pretty comfortably, it's really going to hold you up. So once again, make sure that you can do these chords before you start. One way that we're going to check it is that we're going to do a chord cog exercise. So make sure that we can do an F chord. Okay, and that hard chord, B flat, first finger on these 2 strings, second finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and last finger, 3rd finger on the high G string, top string, 3rd fret, B flat. And the last but not least, you're not going to do a C. Okay, so what you're doing is you're basically going through the music sheet and you're just doing all the chords, seeing that you can play all the chords. So if you're following along with your music sheet, there's an F, then a B flat, then a C, then an F, B flat, and a C, etc. So you're checking through the music, making sure that you can do all the chords, and you can do the changes relatively easy. So go ahead and take some time out, do that, and it's important that you write your 1, 4, 5, okay? So if it's an F chord, you're writing Roman numeral number 1. The B flat chord, you're writing numeral number 4, and 5 chord for C. So as you look at your music sheet, you know when you come to an F chord, you're going to write 1, B flat, maybe the 4, and then the C, you're going to write a 5, okay? So back to this tutorial, listen to it again if you need to. Please do those preparations of the chord cog exercise, previewing the music, and writing down your 1, 4, 5 Roman numerals for your chords before you start the song. And don't forget to tap your foot to keep time with the music when you actually do play the song. Okay, so when you're ready, we'll see you at the next lesson.